Okay.
It's intense.
Oh, okay. Do you have like any general questions or anything? Or?
Not really. It's, I mean, I went for like a different reason last time. I went after a car accident because like my back was mainly hurting. And it did help, but I did stop going. And I've been working out like consistently the last 2 years, so I think that like we started like feeling pain sometimes, but not really from the accident, but just from like working out.
Okay, how often are you feeling that?
It's more like if I have like it's after like back days, honestly. Not every back day, but if I'm like pushing myself, like I kind of feel strain on my upper back, the left side.
Okay, yeah. So does anything else really bother you, or is it mostly just that lower back?
It's mainly my back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right. So if I lift your leg up, does this cause any pain or discomfort in your lower back?
No.
Okay. What about this leg?
No.
Okay. Good. Discomfort with this?
No.
Okay. We'll bend this leg over. Push down. Any pain or discomfort with that?
No.
Okay. All right. Let's do this leg. Any pain or discomfort with that?
A little bit.
Okay. How about that?
No.
Okay. Good. Bridge. Any pain or discomfort with that?
No.
Okay. Push down on top of your head. Any pain or discomfort with that? Kind of lift up on your head. Does that cause pain or take away pain?
No.
Okay. Up then your head to the left. Pain or discomfort with that?
No, that's not.
Okay. We're going to go to the other side, to the right. How's that?
Slightly. It's
In
like,
here?
yeah.
Okay. All right, now put my hand on your hips. We're going to circle motion, okay? Any pain or discomfort with that?
No, not lower, more upper still.
Okay. All right, let's do the other side. Go the other way. Any pain or discomfort with that? Okay. How many days a week do you go to the gym?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Did you audition for Wonder Woman?
I should, right?
Stretch that low back out for you. So the bottom half of the table is going to come down and kind of open up the lumbar joints, okay?
Okay.
Just going to move this leg over a little bit. How's that feel?
Good.
Okay. Yeah, it should feel like a good stretch. Go ahead and lay on the other side for me. There we go. How'd that feel?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, awesome. How's that?
That's good.
Nice. All right, you bring your arms down, relax. Really tight on the left. Awesome. How'd that feel?
That was good.
Yeah. And this is just deep blue, just kind of like relaxes the muscles a little bit. But yeah, I think this is gonna make a huge difference. You feel that like grindy knot right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's some of the stuff working on breaking up. The other side. So this does a really good job of kind of like also breaking up that muscle tissue, scar tissue I was talking about in between the rhomboids. And it also stimulates by bringing the blood to the area. So it's going to be red for a couple days, but that's normal.
I don't even like how it happened. I didn't like work out for like a week and some change because of the pain, and I didn't want to make it worse. But like ever since then, it's still like just tight, like really tight all the time. I don't know what to do for it. I just gotta like keep it like I need stretches.
Yeah.
I need stretches too. I think.
Yeah, so that's one of the things that we do too is like we do like individualized like stretches and exercises, like part of the care plan. So that'd be awesome, something that we can do and show you some simple stuff that you could also do like I was telling you like at home or at the gym, like on some downtime or whatever. But yeah, so how was everything?
I feel good. I feel less tense right now.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yes, man, absolutely.